Okay, so it is done. Okay. So, whatever we have the value in the two table that extract, like you suppose in concatenate the table between and they're showing this name, employee names. Employment we have like this one sort of HR and finance. It's 3 to 4 columns there. So it's showing here, and if you in department table you fill the table that I think one and two missed, so it's not showing is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name in the name name like employment name is showing here all this. And if you want to see like a department table, so you move this one department name in that first table, so it will be show department name. So this is union, and if you are given here all union, so it will be show all bracket all data, and it will be show whole table. Their fields, everything will be come. Just copy this command on the SQL command line. It's very simple. It is a union. It's you just use the command to combine the result of the two tables. The select statement. It's remove duplicate row between the various table. The statement like a unless you have union or all union, which is retain the duplicates and number of the column that data types and selected by the whatever you have selected in the fields that will become, and it will not show there's null value. And there you can use like this in order and duplicate null values you found and alias this command some you can just used, and this one also like aggregate functions and where clause, those things will be used in all union and union also. So just write the command select id name age, sorry this one id name, no actually what id comma employee name, and you given age, what's given that last salary. Okay, just remove id and just give the salary. Remove id, employee name and salary, comma from from T1. Hmm. T1. Then after we will use a where clause. Where ID 2. This one give arrow. No, not IDs. No? Just arrow. Remove this ID. Mm, select start from. Okay, give the ID and greater than 2. Greater than 2. Hmm. 2. Okay. Then give the space little bit, like one space only. one space, and just to do the union all. Okay. So this command you can just same run it there again. Same. Select employee this one all. But we need to change their uh, this one table name. Select department. Hmm. And then after like is equal to 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 2. Hmm. Semicolon. Just run the command. Enter. Okay. So employee name and salary. So you given this one salary from T1 all union department to ID 2. Where is ID 2? Okay. So this one ID showing here like T1 and T2. So in that greater than means three number is there, that one and one it's showing here like two IDs there, Shivam and finance. So this is all union, and that you can get information between the table. So use of this all name and salary you mention, and greater than three only the row is column. So the column is showing salary and the employee name. So Shivam Finance and 56,001. So this is all. And if whatever you mention the field name, like alternative field name you given, otherwise you not it's want to mention their fields. If you want to do the full join, so you need to give the star there. So it will be star. Then after the table name, then after the sub query, and sub query in that you need to mention that second table name, and thereafter this one semicolon, so it will be show whole union, it will be show all columns in there, so whatever their match it will be show. This is a, and if you do like it's order by, that also will come like a serial by. And if you want like a group order by and aggregation functions like in particular you want some salary in that column, it's common some salary downside, so it will become, but so many things, but used to learn this how to do like it's union and all union. This is the basics only. If you move these things slowly, then after you get like how to use the irrigation functions where clause ID and all, like order ID and groups, and after the havings, how to use their. Okay, just select this all commands. Keep on your drive view where you should save. Basically, this. SQL command we are using like this one. So this thing we have the sampler values there, duplicates value. So we it is not showing. So that's purpose we are using mostly that all table we have it's that duplicate value. So in a different table. So it will be on showing that a particular table we are making in that show. So there it will become all the table. It is like it's unique. It's not a duplicate when you're using the strings. So tomorrow we will learn group, and this is having group by having and exist. Three things we'll learn tomorrow. So we are going very slowly there. So you can understand all those things as perfect way, and you do the hands on this particular like which has given a task, and I'll forward you some like a PDF. You can learn how to just like use this union and all union. The major thing in the industry, how it has work. All the documents we have, I just shared after the class. It's over. So you didn't have like this one syllabus MySQL. Okay, okay. I'll forward that one also. Okay, so now this class is over now. We'll meet tomorrow, same timing. So do you have any questions like this? Full joining? Okay. Okay, tomorrow we'll make this primary key, and then after we'll do the joins, full join. Full joins mean we have commands, but it is not working. There is MySQL and SQL commands and workbench also. So we'll just give the simple command to use right in the like workbench that will be work. Before that, we will make this one primary key and foreign key. So it will be get merge in the table that will be shown that in the scenario we have already given this one commands that will be not error is there. That will be correct, but it is not showing because they're not inside they're working in like this command is different like a SQL server and Oracle. So it is not a work in this MySQL. Hmm? Okay, do we have a SQL server? Different. Okay, there we work. There we work. There is no problem. Just copy this command and just put on that SQL server, and that will be work. There is no showing any error. Yes, yes. So there in the prompt, like it's there workbench, it will be show there. Once you copy and paste, the command is right. If you so suppose if the command is wrong, so there branch should detect there what you did a mistake. There will be a showing that in the downside rate. So there's command is do right, and then you have to do the like a debugs. You found like a where if issues is coming there, it's your sentence is not right. So there will do like a debugs in SQL also. In a Python and SQL, it's there. It's platform. They have its one debug system. So in that debug system, so in while we are using the quotates, there will be an engine there extract the sentence in a normal field and everything. So it will be a show the error which is coming in the sentence like a command. Okay, so just class is there. I'll just move in the next class. We'll move to meet in the same time. Okay, bye.